Hi, I'm Yvonne.
And I'm Jim.
I'm the CEO. Some call it the Chief Executive Officer. I prefer to call it the Chief Execution Officer because I'm the one that gets things done.
Oh, I'm the CCO, the Chief Commercial Officer, aka Chief Conversation Officer.
We met 16 years ago when we were both working at Dell. So we've worked with each other in a lot of different situations and we know each other pretty well.
We do. And let me tell you how we got here. 10 years ago, we started another company and we had an idea to extend our customer engagement using chat in that company. Didn't work out so well. It was difficult, it was tough, and that gave us an idea. Basically, it's this. What Wix and Squarespace did for website creation, we are doing for AI-powered conversations using a chat channel.
And so, Noodle Factory was born.
There it is.